Yo, what's good everybody? Ben from Lover of Tech. As you've seen in the title, straight up to it, we've got the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G in-house Mystic Bronze, and it's the big boy, 512 gigabytes. Managed to get this one in. Let's get unboxing and let's see what actually comes in the box and see if this phone's gonna live up to it, man, because it's a pretty penny to have this phone in-house. So yeah, man, let's get into it and let's get straight into it now. So yeah, this is a personal purchase. Samsung did not send this out to me. This is not a review unit. This is my upgraded phone purchased, and this is actually, it's actually my wife's phone. This is her upgraded phone. This is her birthday present phone. So I'm gonna unbox it, get using it, and see what the Note 20 Ultra is about. All right, cool. So Note 20 Ultra, nice packaging. You've got the S Pen bronze color to let you know. Note 20 Ultra 5G, standard seal, clean box, kind of expected from Samsung. All right, let's get this unboxed. Safety first, unboxing knife. Pretty easy to open. Whew. Clean ASF. So in here, put this on the side. SIM ejector tool. Don't know if there's anything else that comes in here. Again, raw unboxing. Got some booklets in there, but we'll just keep that in there for now. Keep it where it was, nicely hidden. And then front and center. Ooh, this does feel clean though. Can't lie. Wow, this is huge. All right, we'll put this here. Let's put this on the side for now. Now, put this down. Check whatever else is in there. This is probably going to be a very quick unboxing. So you've got the 25 watt super fast charging brick USB-C to USB-C. I like C to C. C. Say that how many times? I don't know what's meant to be in here, but there's nothing in here. So put that on the side here. Then you've got pretty much straight to the point. You've got the USB-C to USB-C cable in here, makes sense. And you've got the AKG branded USB Type-C earphones. So put that all to the side and let's bring that back to the center. Wow, this feels substantial, but this feels nice. Yo, this feels nice, you know, I can't lie. Well, damn. This feels, dare I say, premium. Now, a lot of people have been complaining about the camera bump size, and the camera bump is large, no joke. It is a big camera bump. All right, looking at it is a big camera bump, but I do believe it's a bigger camera bump because the phone itself physically is slimmer. They have slimmed the phone down. So this is where the camera bump pretty much does seem a bit bigger. And obviously looking at it, it does rock. So yeah, it's gonna need a case. I need to get a case for it for sure. Mystic Bronze, and I wanted the Mystic Bronze because one, I want it to be a bit different. You know, my wife liked the Mystic Bronze, and the matte color, the matte finish is what, it's something that drew me. And so yeah, and also, yeah, this feels premium. Like even, yeah, the Samsung logo feels engraved. Yeah, it feels engraved somehow. This feels premium. One thing I'm enjoying about these raw unboxings is, like, for myself, I get to experience the raw feeling for myself, whether it feels the sum of its parts exactly as expected or exceeding expectation. And this is feeling exactly as I was expecting, but low-key feeling, it's exceeding my expectations in terms of the premium feel. This feels on the money, like, wow. And, you know, you look at it, they've made it thinner. You've got the speaker grill and the USB-C at the bottom there. S Pen's on the left, which is, we'll maybe get a bit of getting used to. Wow. Yep. SIM card tray at the top with the micro SD card, dual SIM, noise cancelling mic, volume rocker. This is right on there. I would have loved the volume rocker to be on the left right here around this area. And then you've got obviously the power button right on. So initially, man, this hides all the fingerprints as well, man. Doesn't smudge. Oh, this looks nice. This really, really does look nice. So yeah, let's turn this bad boy on. 6.9 inch of pure Super AMOLED quad high definition, 120 hertz, super bright. This, yeah, still not sure about the functionality of curved displays, but in terms of looks and swagger, this does feel like the Samsung signature dish, the curved display, the edge displays. Yeah, this is looking nice though. Bezels, yeah, very uniformly edge to edge as well. Oh, this is clean. I'm eager to test this out. Still. I've got a special one coming, so watch this space. More to come. But yeah, no real first impressions, no setup. I literally wanted to do the unboxing so you can see what comes in the box. As seen before, right here. Oh, this is clean ASF, honestly, liking it. That's pretty much it, man. I don't want to take too much time. I'm eager to set this phone up, get using it. So I kind of just wanted to show you what comes in the box. In the UK, we've got the Exynos 990. We're going to test out, see how that feels, if it performs well, if it's worth the money, if it's more than some of the parts. We'll see, man. We'll see. So hopefully you guys enjoyed content like this. Let me know if you want to see more of it. And if you do, make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future content that's posted on the Level of Tech channel. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to run it through its paces, but if there's anything specific that you want to see on the Note 20 Ultra, Mystic Bronze, 512 gig, this is the big boy one, man. So I'm eager to test that out and let you guys know what I think. Hope you guys are safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.